Today we are going to look into the new business opportunity which is emerging as one of the most wanted business, the skill development. I am Karaiadiselvan, Managing Director of CADD Center with 30 years of experience in running skill development business. I thought I would like to share my experience and the knowledge that I have about this business. Truly speaking, skill development is a beautiful business because you are creating employable workforce for the industry. Meaning, you are going to make more people employable, you are going to create industry perform better, and you are going to support the industry, also the aspiring employees. So that way, if you are wanting to start a skill development business, you can be rest assured you are in the right business. Mostly whenever you want to start a business, they will ask a first question, is there a market? Is there money? Okay. Truly speaking, there is a huge market because everybody need to get reskilled. Today, whichever the technology they are talking about, it's about 5 to 7 year old. If somebody comes and says, I have 30 years of experience, in the new age businesses, it is not 30 years, 7 years of experience and 23 years of some old experience. Having said that, everybody need to get skilled and reskilled or upskilled. Whether you get skilled or reskilled or upskilled for you to be a front runner. Okay. Having said that, how easy to start a business? Is it a good idea to start a skill development business? Okay. Today, skill development business, we have to select a domain. Okay, you have to say, okay, which domain you want to develop, whether you want to be in software, whether you want to be in accounting, whether you want to be in engineering design, whether you want to be in fashion design. So I have to choose a field which you are passionate about. Business is all about the passion coupled with an enterprise. If you don't have a passion, you start a business just because somebody else has done it, it's not going to be a great charm in running the business. So what are you passionate about? Assume that you are a young lady wanting to start a business and you have some money, surplus cash to invest, and you are passionate about, let's say, fashion design, interior design, or jewelry design. Then I think it's a good idea to start a business with creative design as the focus. The core focus is going to be creative design. Anything you call it as a creative, anything where creativity has to be fine-tuned, creativity has to be polished, with the tools and techniques, I think you should be in that business. Do the market needs this? Certainly yes. Okay, today as the surplus cash presents, the people have little more money, they want to spend in fashion, they want to spend in lifestyle. So really people want to spend money in this lifestyle accessories products. If you become a fashion design school or an interior design school or jewelry design school, there are a lot of people wanting to take up that as a profession. So anybody wanting to join, anybody want to become a interior designer as an entrepreneur or as an employee, maybe they can do a course. Okay, is there a market? Yes. So what are the kind of investment one has to make to set up a creative design school? Normally a creative design school consists of 3 parts. Okay, one is the manual work. There has to be a studio where you can put your thoughts into creativity, put your thoughts into action, where you can take a paper and pencil and make a sketch. Then transform that work into computer-aided design, where you have to use computer tools to make the art as a part. You start designing the art in the computer, then use a 3D printer or use something to see whether it looks all right. Whatever you thought, whatever you visualized, whether the product has come out exactly the way you thought. Okay, so there has to be a computer lab with a 3D printer. Then how do we merchandise all these things? Learn something on the merchandising, materials, all those stuff. So somebody want to set up a school, it'll definitely need about 2000 square feet space in a prominent location, because retailing is all about location.